This is a quick overview on how to register for classes at Southwestern Oregon Community College. Before you can register, you'll need to make sure you have advisor clearance, take care of any outstanding balance on your account, and also clear any other hold that you may have. With that complete, you'll now log into your My LakerLink portal. Jared will now show you each step in adding a class.
On the home page, scroll to Academics and select the Registration tab. Then, select the term that you are registering for and search for the course that you are interested in taking. In this case, we will use a beginning writing course as our example. Once you have found the course that you're interested in registering for, check the box next to the course, and then add the course. You may need to select whether you are taking the course for credit or whether you will be auditing the course. Once you've selected, click Add the Course, and it will be added to your schedule. You would then repeat this process as necessary until you have the course schedule that you would like.
And that's it. You're officially registered for classes. Still have questions? Contact the Student Success Center.